In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move photos from locked folder on Google Photos. If you've stored pictures or videos in Google Photos locked folder and now want to bring them back into your regular library, the process is fairly simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go, what to tap, and what to expect after the move. Start by opening Google Photos on your phone, or open Google Photos on the web if you're using a browser. From there, go to Collections. On some versions of the app, this may appear as Library instead, so don't worry if the label looks slightly different on your screen. Once you're there, open Locked Folder. Because this is a protected space, Google Photos will ask you to unlock it first. Depending on your device and settings, that could be your phone's passcode, fingerprint, or a Google account verification step. This is normal and is there to keep private items secure. After the folder opens, select the photo or video you want to move out. You can choose one item or multiple items at the same time. Look for the option that says Move out of locked folder. On some devices or versions, this might simply say Move or Restore, but it serves the same purpose. Tap or click that option, then confirm the move when prompted. Once the move is complete, those items will return to your regular Google Photos library. That means they become searchable again, and they can also start appearing in places like albums, memories, and sharing options. If you don't see them immediately, give it a little time. Some users notice a short delay before moved items fully reappear in search results or in the main library view. If your goal is to move photos from locked folder to your computer, the process is slightly different but still very easy. Open Google Photos on the web, go into locked folder, select the photos you want, and then click Download. This will save copies to your computer so you can access them outside of Google Photos. There are also a few important things to keep in mind. Items inside locked folder cannot be shared until you move them out first. Also, if backup for locked folder is turned off and the app is reset or removed, those items could be lost. So if the photos are important, it's a good idea to move them out or download them before making major changes. And that's how to move photos from locked folder on Google Photos quickly and safely.